Welcome back. BLOs from across the state are annoyed for conducting field verification of Electoral Roll 2012 after working hours. They have also been asked to submit the reports within 15 days. Taluka Mamladars had issued notices to the BLOs for attending the training for verification of Electoral Roll 2012 on Friday. Booth-level officers boycotted the training camp at Kepe as officials had no satisfactory answers. Training session at MAPSA also witnessed a chaos. Watch this report.
Booth levels officers boycotted the training camp at Kepe on Friday. The BDO officials failed to reply satisfactorily on the queries on managing the official work and field verification after office hours. Taluka Mamladars had issued notices to the BLOs for attending the training on verification of electoral roll. They have also been asked to submit the verification report within 15 days.
After working hours, आम्ही ड्युटी करपाची within 15 days भितर आम्ही त्याचो रिपोर्ट सबमिट करपाचो. हे कित्याक 15 days इतली इमर्जन्सी कित्याक? किती इलेक्शन लागपाक पावला?
जॉइंट मामलेदारान सांगला की आमची ग्रीव्हन्सेस मानून घेत आयकोन घेता म्हणून आणि वर धाडटा म्हणून सांगला. तातूंत भितर आमी अशी डिमांड केला की वर्किंग आवर्साक थोडे लोक 8 घराडें भोंवतात आणि आमी 8 नंतर पावन घराडें दुसरी घराडें गेल्यार आमकां लोकांनी समज कितें म्हणलें जाल्यार ते आमकां सेक्शन लागतले तेन्ना आमकां सारवार करपाक कोण येवचें ना. सेकंडली संडे बीन आमकां फॅमिली आसता, संडे बीन आमकां काम आसता, तेन्ना संडे ड्युटी करून 15 दीस भितर रिपोर्ट दी म्हणून सांगला. आमी अवश्य दिवपाक तयार आसात, तरी पूण आमकां एक रिलॅक्सेशन म्हणटा अशें ड्युटीचें आमच्या कामाचें एक 2-3 दीस ऑफ तरी ड्युटी करून आमकां हें काम तर दीत न्ही, आमी अवश्य करता तें.
Praveen Parab, he's harassing us day and night. You have to get done, otherwise I will suspend you. He cannot treat us. He has not given us a job. He can suspend us from BLO. He cannot suspend us from our job.
तिंगा सांगलें डिमांड माझो तुमची जर डिमांड कितें तो इलेक्शन कमिशन ऑफ इंडियाक धाडटा म्हणून सांगलें. तिंगा सांगलें तुमी ट्रेनिंग अटेंड करा, तुमचो प्रपोजल धाडटा ना, यू गिव इन हँड रायटिंग रिटन. They are not agree. ते पयला डिमांड पास कर म्हणटा.
BLOs who attend training camp at MAPSA are also annoyed on the same issue.
ड्युटी करा म्हटलं आफ्टर ऑफिस आवर्स, पूण ती पॉसिबल ना. कित्याक सांग, आमी कामाची येता घरा पावता म्हणल्यार स जाता. आमची भुरगीं आसा ती शिकता, स्कुलांतल्यान येता, तांकां च्या दिवंक जाय, परत सांजचें आमकां जेवण आसता, भुरग्यांची स्टडी आसतात आनी आमी जर आतां भायर गेलीं 7 वरांचेर लोकांच्या दारांनी भोंवपाक जाल्यार आमकां सेक्युरिटी जाय.
Our reporter Mayur Naik from Kepe and Shyam Sundar Fatte from MAPSA.
2 accused from Yerwada jail in Pune are now in the custody of Goa police. The duo is said to have been involved in about 200 house-breaking cases across Goa, Maharashtra and Karnataka. In another case, police have registered offence against unknown person for committing theft of pouch containing gold ornaments and gold biscuit from an employee of a goldsmith shop. He was travelling in a city bus. Meanwhile, team of Madgaon police arrested Rinto Razak in West Bengal as non-bailable warrant was issued against him for not cooperating in the court proceedings.
Margao police have obtained custody of 2 accused from Yerwada jail, Pune. The duo are involved in about 200 cases of housebreaking in Goa, Maharashtra and Karnataka. JMFC Margao has remanded Nilesh Dattatray Chaugule and Salim Mehboob Sheikh to 7 days police custody.
Margao town police have arrested 2 interstate criminals, namely Nilesh Dattatray Chaugule and Salim Mehboob Sheikh. These 2 criminals, along with their gangs, are involved in a number of burglaries in the state of Goa, Maharashtra and Karnataka. Around 200 cases of housebreaking have been registered against these criminals in various states. The modus operandi of the gang was that they used to visit in different cities and hire a vehicle and commit housebreaking thefts in broad daylight. Honorable JMFC Margao was pleased to grant 7 days police custody to these criminals, and further investigation will be conducted to find out their complicity in the different crimes reported in the jurisdiction of Margao Town Police Station as well as in the jurisdiction of other police stations.
Police have also registered an offence against unknown person for committing theft of pouch containing gold ornaments and gold biscuit worth Rs 3,75,000 from an employee of Raikar Jewellers. He was travelling in city bus from Margao to KTC bus stand.
A person employed by a goldsmith was travelling in a bus from Margao city to KTC bus stand. He found when he get on at KTC bus stand, his pouch containing gold ornaments are around 3 lakhs and above was missing and suspected to be lifted by the criminal.
Meanwhile, team of Margao police also succeeded in arresting Rinto Razak in West Bengal after he was issued a non-bailable warrant for not cooperating with the proceedings of the court. Rinto, who was arrested for the involvement in theft cases, was earlier granted bail by the court. Our reporters from Madgaon, Xavier Dice and Samir Bhatt.
Revenue Minister Francisco de Souza has assured that the government will regularize the constructions on comunidad land prior to 2000. However, the fate of the structures post-2000 is uncertain. MLA Marvin Godino had moved a private resolution demanding mooncarial and tenancy rights to the people who have built the structures on comunidad land. MLAs also warned the government to be vigilant while going ahead with any such move so that only landless Goans are provided the shelter.
Regularizing houses which have been there for the last maybe 30 years, 40 years or 50 years over comunidad lands spread over the length and breadth of Goa. The House, I think, should readily accept this resolution and move towards legalizing all these houses. कोणाकूच नुकसान जावपा ना. म्हाका एक समजना प्रत्येक जण तो बीजेपीचो जावं काँग्रेसीचो जावं गोवा विकास पार्टी जावं इंडिपेंडंट जावं वोट मागपा आमी वयता तेन्ना आमी चिंतना तेंचे वोट लीगल काय इल्लीगल. तेन्ना सगळ्यांचे वोट लीगल आसता आमी तांकां पांय पडटा तेन्ना आमी मूय कशें जाता.
एखादे वेळी हे रेझोल्युशन अडॉप्ट करचे पयलीं बाकीच्यो खुबश्यो गजाली आसात त्या गजाली कडेन सरकाराचें लक्ष वचपाक जाय. आमी खुबशे कोमुनदादीन आनी तांणी सांगला तो एक विशय आसा. दुसरी बाजू कोमुनदादीची अशी आसा आयज खुबशे फ्रूट वेंडर जावं बाकीचे खंय अशे सायडीच्या धारवाडच्यान येतले हुबळीच्यान येतले एकटो मनीस येता फ्रुट्स घेवन गाडो घालून बसता तो खंय तरी शेल्टर उबें करता. तांणी सांगलें तशेंच पयलीं 2 मेडी मारून ताचेर एस्बेस्टोस शीट घालता आनी रावता वण्टी काडटा आनी तें जातकच तो परत आनी एकट्याक बापोल बोवाक हाडटा. अशे तरेन ही एन्क्रोचमेंट कोमुनदादीचेर जायत आसात.
ही जमीन कोमुनिदादीचेच जे कोण प्रोकुरादोर आसा एडमिनिस्ट्रादोर आसा ह्या सगळ्या लोकांनी कोणाक थोडी थोडी वाटून खाली त्यांचे स्वताचे बंगले रावले त्यांनी प्रचंड पैसो केलो पण ह्या जमनीचेर मागीर जे कोण लोक आयले हे लोक खंयचे आशिल्ले. आज ते लोक म्हणजे एक वोट बँक जाल्या म्हणून हे फक्त कोमुनिदादी पुरतो हो मर्यादित दवरचो न्ही. लेट अस नॉट रिस्ट्रेन इट ओनली अप टू कोमुनिदाद. लेट अस टेक अ होलसम व्यू. सांगात तुम्ही कुडका येयात कुडकाच्या एकाच गावात हांव तुमकां दाखयता की लोक जन्मजन्माचे मुणकारा अजून तांकां अवेअरनेस ना की आमी मुणकार आसा म्हणून. तांचे कितें करपाचें. सरकार आसा बेगीन करात. नाही तुमचे सरकार इतलें आशिल्लें तुमी कितें केलें.
We have to look at a time-bound manner of solving this problem.
Because sir, हो विषय सुप्रीम कोर्टाकडे समोर हा आणि सुप्रीम कोर्टाचो विचार वेगळो आहा आमकां तरी दिसता सरकाराक. म्हणून आमी सरकाराक सुप्रीम कोर्टाकडे मागलां की कोमुनिदादचे जमनी हे ऑर्डरींतली भायर काडपाक जाय. हें जावसर म्हाका दिसता फुडलीं पावलां घेवपाक अशक्य आहा. ही 2000 पयलीं तर हा जाल्यार ताका अश्युरन्स हांव दिवं शकता. 2000 पयलीं हा कित्याक तेजें रेझोल्युशन हा 2000चे.
वॉट एवर बिफोर कट ऑफ डेट कित्याक
ती सांबाळूंक शकता तेच्या फाटली हांव सांबाळूंक शकता.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट Prudent Media.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.